I hope you've had a good week. I've had a busy one. Today I'm going to show you how to make these rip-off Fenty, I know words, slides. So let's go. For this DIY you will need some slides. Mine were $5 from the Reject Shop. Some ribbon, I also got mine from the Reject Shop. Some hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun, and some scissors. I decided super last minute that I wanted to spray paint the base of the shoe. Do this first, not last, but the way I protected the shoe was I just covered the ribbon in cling wrap while I did this. Start by putting a line of hot glue along one half of the edge of the strap of the shoe. Place the ribbon right sides down facing outwards onto the glue and press it down so that it sticks and dries. Hot glue along the edge of the front of the strap of the shoe and then bring the ribbon over and press it into the hot glue. Make sure that it lines up with that straight edge of the strap. Hot glue to the other end of the strap. The ribbon so it's about 1 centimeter longer than the strap of the shoe. Fold in the raw edge and press it into the glue. Repeat this to the top and the middle of the shoe so that the entire strap is covered. Long piece of ribbon and about 30 centimeters from the end of the ribbon, draw a line of hot glue. Bring the end of the ribbon over and press it down into the hot glue to make a loop. Check that the loop is at least as long as the length of the shoe and then cut it off. Put a line of glue along the edge of the strap lining up with the middle piece of ribbon that you used to cover the original strap. Press it down into the glue, right sides facing down. Repeat these steps to make a loop to go on the other side of the shoe. Take the two loops and bring them up into the middle of the shoe, tie them with a double knot, and then you're done one shoe. Just repeat these steps for the other shoes so that you have a pair and then you're all done.